Everybody, we're here at the Contemporary. We're staying in room 4615. I'll bring you back outside in a minute, but let's go inside and take a look. So right when you come in, I'll go to the bathroom. Like I always do, I'm gonna try and go slow for our folks who get motion sick. The bathroom is huge, very spacious. They've got H2O products, which you guys know my obsession with. They've got a nice cosmetic mirror, tons of towels, a massive shower with more H2O products there. And then they've got the water closet with more towels, and there's so many incredibles details in this room. We've got the closet here, and one of my favorite details is the Incredibles things hanging up in the closet. How cool is that? So they got a luggage rack, plenty of hangers, extra pillow and blanket. And then next to that, we have another full-length closet here with tons of great storage. It also has a safe and a full-length mirror. So here's this closet. Very nice. We've got a Keurig. And then this store has lots of nice coffees. I'm gonna try the 50th anniversary blend tomorrow. This is an adjoining room, but we don't have anyone on the other side, unfortunately. I wish more of my family could be here. And then here we got 2 queen beds because that's what's available. We booked it so last minute, but we have Frozone and Edna Mode. How incredible are those pillows? And I just think the design of the room is gorgeous. Love the detail on the wall, the light up there. We've got a great lake view. Here's a massive sectional sofa and television with more details for the Incredibles there. And then out here is our view. So we got a lake view room. You can see there's 2 nice chairs out there and a beautiful view. But I'm just so excited for this trip. It's super last minute. I've never stayed at the Contemporary and always wanted to. I'll take you guys out like I promised out here, and then we'll get a little peek at the monorail. But yeah, that's this room tour. Thank you so much. I love you all. And I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.